guys, so a lot of you guys asked for a tutorial on this photo here that I posted on my Instagram, and this train really be pissing me off. Sorry, the train is going by. I live very close to the train, and she likes to go by very often. So you'll have to excuse the train noise in the background. But I'm going to recreate that photo, that makeup in the photo for you guys. And I'm using 2 palettes. I had to remember what palettes I used. It's the Jackie palette and this Smashbox, what is this called? Cover Shoot Major Metals eye palette. And I'm using, I believe I used 1 color from here, and I believe I used 2 colors from Jackie. But we're gonna get started. The NARS Smooth and Protect Primer with SPF 50. I didn't realize it was that much SPF. But that's what we're gonna use today. Only a little bit. So I like to do my eyes first. So I always start with a primer, and it's the Anastasia eye primer. This is nothing new. You guys see this on my channel often. This is a pretty good eye primer in my opinion. I'm gonna have this mirror up. So this is a very simple eye makeup, but it's very bold. So if you're not used to color, then this is probably not the tutorial for you. But if you're trying to get out of your comfort zone and step out of the box a little bit in here, this is the one for you. So I'm gonna go into Jackie's palette. Jackie. I always have to do that when I use her palette. So, and we're going to take Supreme. It's this pink color here. I'm just taking a fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and then we're just gonna put that in the crease. I think I use like max 3 colors. I just did a lot of building up in the color intensity. A lot of blending and more, adding more color, blending and adding more color. So next I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox palette. I'm gonna take some setting spray. You can use water. Setting spray is just what I have nearby right now. And a flat shader brush, and we're just gonna spray. It says 2 of these colors you need to use with your finger, and we're using heat index, and we do not need to use, can you guys see? We do not need to use our finger for this one. I think this one and this one. Ooh, this one is so pretty, guys. I'm gonna do a tutorial on that because I've already used that one, and baby, we went ham now. Okay, so I'm just gonna use that one, and I'm just gonna pat on some brush, tap off the excess, and we're just gonna pat this on our lid. back into the Jackie palette with the Supreme, tap off the excess. I'm gonna blend those colors together. We already primed, so foundation I'm using is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydration. And I'm just gonna, how I would normally do it, splatter it all around. And then we're gonna take our beauty blender and we're gonna pounce. Concealer in medium 1 custard, and we're just going to conceal. Now, as Jackie says, we need to let this sit down, dry down. So we're going to let it dry down and we're going to do some bronzing. We're going to use our Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in Rosewood, and we're going to use this little fluffy tapered looking brush, and we're just going to bronze around the forehead. I'm not really big on cream contour because to me it just looks like too much. I'm kind of like subtle, but I'm slowly making my way into the cream contour craze and all that mess. But I do like to bronze because when you put on foundation, it kind of loses the natural shadows and the natural like oomph of your face. So I like to bring that back in with the bronzer. Taking our beauty blender and we're going to blend our under eye out. The ice cream truck literally outside right now. It's 60 something degrees right now and they have ice cream truck out. Who was outside? Nobody's outside. People supposed to be inside, so why is the ice cream man outside? I'm confused. Using translucent powder by Laura Mercier. This is just in translucent. I mean, I'm going ham with the powder today. A little brush and we're just sweeping off the excess powder. I don't let that sit for long. Blush, a very little, because this is very pigmented blush. I'm just gonna take the cap, swish, 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 dab, dab, dab. Got a little payoff. Dab, dab, dab. Look at that. That's a pretty blush. Next, we're gonna do some highlighting with my BACKKKK Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Vanilla Coats. Just looks like this. I'm just gonna do a little dab dab, and we're just gonna do here. Ooh. gonna do some mascara because I don't think I didn't use any liner. So the lip gloss I'm using is the MAC Lip Glass. I actually don't like that. I don't think that's what I used. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I ended up taking the MAC lip gloss off and using the Fendi lip gloss. Well, I guess it is a lip gloss. Glass Blonde is what I meant to say. This is just the Fenty Glow, my favorite lip gloss of all the time. And this is the finished look. If you want to see how I got my hair like this, don't forget to check out my last video and my hair routine. It's the exact same process, and I'll also link it up here so you guys can take a look at it. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are staying safe at home. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.